In this guide, I'll show you how to get the best Wi-Fi internet connection settings on your PS4. So from the home screen, navigate up and we're going to go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down and select Network Settings, then go to Set up Internet Connection. Then we're going to select Use Wi-Fi and select Custom. Now once you're here, find the Wi-Fi network you want to use and then press the Options button on your controller to open up the Wi-Fi frequency band settings. So by default, this will be set to automatic, which is good for most people. However, if your PS4 is close to your router, try using 5 GHz only, and if your PS4 is far away from your router, try 2.4 GHz only. And if it's somewhere in between, you can just leave this on automatic. So we're now going to go back and select your Wi-Fi network, and then it's going to ask you to set your IP address settings. So I recommend you leave that on automatic. For DHCP hostname, do not specify. And for the DNS settings, try changing it to manual. So two very popular DNS servers you could try are the Google DNS and Cloudflare DNS. So for the Google DNS, it's going to be 8.8.8.8. And then under the secondary DNS, erase all these numbers and put in 8.8.4.4. Then you can save these settings by going to Next. And for MTU settings, for most people, leaving it on automatic is best. Then for the proxy server, do not use. And then you want to test your internet connection with these new internet settings to see if there's any improvement. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.